Go ahead and get your bite. You got it? My turn. Ooh. Do you see that? You see it? You good? Ooh. My sisters used to think I didn't want to be black. Seriously, you remember that?
Diversity. Miss Diversity. This is the
Hey y'all, it's your girl Miss Diversity coming at you. What's up, my D3 tribe? And if you ain't part of the tribe, then you need to subscribe. How's everybody doing today? Good, I hope. Y'all, today I am bringing you another Egusi mukbang. But instead of having Egusi and fufu, we are having Egusi and tortilla chips. I'm like, I meld the nations, but I recently found out that they eat tortilla chips with Egusi over there too. It's called Torte? No, oh God, I'm not sure. I'm gonna find out what it's called again. I'm gonna put it up there. What it's called? I want to chop it up. Oh, okay. So the menu today, y'all, we have some of our leftover Egusi that I froze. Y'all know it wasn't gonna go to waste. And we've got some flour tortillas that I rubbed out with oil and I sprinkled with Italian seasoning and sea salt. And Italian seasoning, I believe it is basil, oregano, thyme, sage, and I think I'm forgetting one more ingredient. I don't remember. Y'all, to drink, we have some H2O as always. Ooh. Stay hydrated. And also we have our bottle of Stella Rosa. Bottle of Stella Rosa. Y'all, I got this bottle from my niece's baby shower. Look at that. I got this bottle from my niece's baby shower. My baby sister gave it to me. Hey sis. Hey Tasha. We're gonna be using our Special K glass courtesy of our Special K. Hey boo. Ooh, check.
And running and running, running and running, running and running, running.
Salute, all sippers in the house. Oh, y'all, I'm starving. So without further ado, let's go ahead and give thanks and get to grubbing. Ooh, come on. Okay. All right, y'all. Oh, child, I'm so ready for this. So you don't understand, honey. We got our water bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and scrub it up, and rinse it up. Go wash it. Okay. Oh, child. All right, let's get to wow. God. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's go and get to this. So y'all toasted them up. I didn't toast them all the way up because the obvious. Ooh, I want it. I want it. I really, really want it. Oh, oh. Ooh, you see that? Go ahead and get your bite. You got it? My turn. Ooh, oh, we're going to come down. Hold on. Oh. Mm. Oh, that's so good. Put this mirror here. I got stuff on the front. All right. Oh, it's still like y'all saw it. Y'all saw it. I'm hungry. Okay. Hot. I forgot my hot sauce. Hold on. We need that. I'm not gonna use this hand. Woo! All right, y'all, we're back like we never left. We got my pepper sauce in hand. Some homemade pepper sauce. I had some homemade pepper sauce on the last video, but this one is hotter. It has more habaneros in it. On the last video, I said it was Scotch bonnet, but it wasn't Scotch bonnet. It was habanero. Ooh. So, I did habanero peppers in there. I actually did like a partial. It wasn't really a partial recipe. It was just showing me blend it up when I was filming this. Not filming this. Get it together, Keisha. When I was blending this, I did like a little, I don't know, partial filming of the blending and the pouring in the container. I don't know. That's butter. Ooh, hot. Oh, that's kind of crispy. So how's everybody doing today? What are you eating on? What are you drinking on? What are you sipping on? How was your Sunday? How was your Sunday, y'all? I hope that it was well. Ooh, can you get it together? Y'all, to say the least, it smells so good in this house. Like, Siren even came around the corner sniffing. No lie. So I'm gonna get my fill in. Make sure this camera recording. Okay, I'm gonna get my filling. And then I'm gonna get into our topic. The meaning behind my name, Miss Diversity. I'm gonna show y'all this big piece of meat. I'm gonna hold it steady because I noticed in my last video I didn't hold it steady for y'all. So I can get that full Monty. Ooh. Ooh. Do you see that? You see it? Yeah. We're gonna dip this in here. Oh, it's got some spinach clinging on to it. It's about to be good. Ooh. Baby. I gotta be careful because those little pieces of bone will those little pieces of bone will go in my tooth. Oh. This is really good. I thought I was lying about loving Egusi. I did not tell a lie. I love Egusi Soup. I really do. Good calling to kills, girl. I wish these choppers were better, but it is what the TI is, y'all. It is what TI is. And the MD3 off Pearly Rights Restoration Fund. Link is in the description box. So I get these babies restored. And someone asked me if it was $4,000 for two. I mean for one. No, that's for two teeth. The root canal, caps, crowns, everything. And it actually was under a little under $4,000, like 34, 35, something like that. Ooh, excuse me, cheeseburger. I really less than that. It's around that. All donations are appreciated, but not obligated, okay? And please don't donate if you plan on telling me how to eat afterwards. Don't do it. Because I see I'm still eating now. I gotta eat. I'm hungry. Okay. My name. Miss Diversity. Y'all, the diversity started a long time ago. I'm talking about like long time ago. Like grade school time ago. I used to always say to myself that I look at the world in rose color, shades of rose colored glasses, something like that. That I saw no color. That's what she said. Because I felt like we should embrace our differences and our diversities. That's just always been that way. Always been a free spirit, always been a social butterfly. For real. I don't do my different stages of life. But I have always kept it diverse. Diversities intrigue me. Cultures intrigue me. Like, it seriously intrigued me. Have I noticed? Differences intrigue me. So when I said diversity, it's not just racist. It's like expands beyond that. You understand what I mean? Oh, spirit. And I've always been that way. Growing up, I'm in high school. My sisters used to think I didn't want to be black. Seriously, you remember that? I think they really thought I hated my race, but that wasn't the case. The thing was, I was my race. We're making sense. It's because I was my race that I sought out other cultures and races, because I was, you know, a lot of blacks at my home. And when I dated, now this wasn't just because I liked it. I like differences too. That's one part. When I dated, I think I did a lot, yo. Shit. I don't even know if you call it dating. My mom decided to change boys like I changed their underwear. I guess nothing changes. Nothing changed. Anyway, so when I dated, I only dated like a handful of black boys, and the rest were like, y'all from everywhere, from everywhere. That wasn't only because I liked that. It wasn't that, like, you know, I like diversity. You gonna get together today, Keisha? Today. It wasn't that. I don't know what I'm trying to say, y'all. Anyway, whatever. Was just trying. Child.
Don't worry about it.
Anyway, right there, the other races of boys treated me better. I don't know why. In high school, don't come for me. All the black boys act hell stupid. Then when I grew up and got married to Asian, then that's when all the act rights came out. I mean, like, just came out the woodwork like roaches. Okay. But anyway, I started in childhood and carried over to adulthood. As you can see, I mean, I've been diversity way prior to YouTube. I mean, every aspect of my life. When I have my personal Instagram, there's diversity in there too. From social media to tattoos. Yes, tattooed on me. Been in there for a long time. Learn my children's name. To license plate. Everything. Diversity. I said one time to my mom, I want to diversify the world because we're so divided. Ask my mom, I told her that before. We're so divided, I want to diversify the world. I remember at one point in time, people would ask me, we diversify the world and stop segregating people because of their colors, races, religion, culture, whatever. I remember one time people used to ask me, what color are you? I used to say, Keisha. I'm Keisha. But y'all, anyway, when I got to YouTube, I was having to pick a name. It was easy. At first, I just added the Miss. The 3 stands for my 3 children. And like I told you, it carried over in adulthood, you know what I'm saying? So my first child, NENE, her father is Vietnamese Chinese. Before I continue, yes, I got 3 baby daddies, okay? It's no trade secret. I don't care what you think. Moving on. My second one, his dad is Native American and black. That's Dames. And then my last one, her dad is Puerto Rican. That's the one y'all see on here sometimes. If you're new, that's the one. That's the Spanish one. Scroll down to my videos, the Spanish one. Yeah, that's the third one. So that's the story behind my name. I know it was a little chopped up, but that's the story behind my name. And where it came from. That's so good. That's so filling though. Egusi is so filling. It truly is. I hope you were able to follow my story. I know it was kind of all over the place. If not, if you have some questions still, just drop in the comment box below. Alright, y'all, before we get too far along, let's get into the tribe notification shout outs. I've been washing my hands. Alright, these shout outs are coming from. Oh, excuse me. Oh, y'all, the name of the flatbread, or the name of the tortillas that I eat over there is called Chapati. Chapati and Egusi. These notification shout outs are coming from, sorry, I gotta answer that. My ultimate seafood feast mukbang with NENE. Oh, y'all, that was so good. I wish I could have smashed like I wanted to, but I couldn't. It is what y'all is, y'all. And travel location shout outs go to, oh, come on, phone. Damari Santos, Dina M, and Abdul Mathis. Hey, cousin. That's my blood cousin, y'all. Thank you so much for being part of the Notification Tribe. I truly appreciate you, like always. If you'd like to be part of the Notification Tribe, all you have to do is be within the first 3 that comment on my video, and I'll shout you out in the following video. If for some reason I forget to shout you out in that particular video, I will double up, triple up, quadruple up on the following video I record and shout you out there. Long story short, you get your shout out boo. Okay. Now on to the tribe. Insiders of the tribe. Insiders of the tribe members who would like to be part of the membership program. If you'd like to be part of Tribe Insiders, all you have to do is click that little join button that's below us. It says JOIN. Click on that button and then select which you would like to be part of. Or if that button is not working, check my description box below. There's a link with 2 little rainbows beside it. Click on that link and it's going to take you to the same place which you can select which 2 you'd like to be part of. And you can join the Tribe Insiders. And our Tribe Insider shout outs go to Leaf the E, Chef Disaster the Master, Andrea Sis Piggins, and she's part of the Tribe Elders, y'all. She's stomping with the big dogs. Rejoice with Jeannie, Debbie Shoemaker, Into the Wild, DB, and she's part of the Tribe Chiefs. Kay from Cali, aka my beautiful Kay, and that's the one who gave me this beautiful K glass, and she's part of the Tribe Councils. Vanessa Valdez, Trisha Tennell, Italian Queen, and she's part of the Tribe Chiefs. Glenda Graham, and she's also part of the Tribe Chiefs. Kydrick, and last but not least, King Larry 415, and he's also part of the Tribe Chiefs. Thank you so much for being part of the Tribe Insiders. You are greatly appreciated. Thank you. Now back to this food. Woo, child. Let's wash my hand again. Y'all, your girl dropping stuff. Sure. Don't mind me. It's okay. I gotta clean it up. Don't worry about it. Okay. Oh shit. Y'all, I'm trying to hold it for a little bit. bit so y'all can see it. All right. What's left was a ham hock, a little piece of a foot, and then the tail of the turkey. So we got ham, beef, and turkey. Oh shoot! Okay. Don't you worry, my friend. Y'all, we get into the nitty gritty of that. Child, I'm getting full. But don't worry, like I said before, it's gonna get eaten. Ooh. After cooling down, we're getting a little tougher. So I may have to say, c'est la vie to you. I don't want to. It's good, but I have to. So for all my African brethren out there, when you're eating it with the tortillas, how do you go about eating it? I know with the fufu, you roll it up in your hand, press it down, make a little scoop, and then scoop it up. But what's the proper way to eat it with tortillas? And do you crisp them up, or you just have like just a plain flour tortilla, or do you do corn tortillas? Oh yeah. That pepper sauce, can you handle the heat? Well, did you get it? Yeah. I hope it's focusing, y'all. If not, I'm gonna be hella mad. You know what? Maybe I should have crisped them up. I should have. Because it's actually easier to chew like this. Yeah, I should have crisped them. I should have did. It's okay. I was thinking, you know, too crunchy. Oh. Let's smack this hand. I was thinking too crunchy might be bad for my tooth, but actually, it seems like it's working out better. I don't even know what here. Oh, child, let me let y'all go. That was so good. I am so full. I want to take a nap, but I think I'm going to come live to you. If I do, I've already went live because this video is going to be posted afterwards. We should just go. Let's go. Right? It's okay, right? It's the tip. Right?
Do it.
Blame it on the tube. Y'all got meat all stuck in my tooth? They be talking about me. You know I'm being in that bathroom. Alright guys, welcome to the end of our program. Thank you for joining me on my Egusi and Chapati Mukbang. Like always, if you like what you see and you want to see more, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit subscribe to become part of the tribe, D3 tribe. Turn your post notification to notify of any and every video that we release. Comment below and tell that you're there. Share because sharing is caring. Give this video a big old like or dislike and what's your cup of tea. And stay tuned for more. If you haven't already, kids are coming. Oops, excuse me. If you haven't already, check out the original LELE'S Got Your channel. Her link will be in the description box below, as well as NENE's TikTok and Don't Stop, and her YouTube channel. If she would go ahead and post something on it. Anyway, just be prepared. Go ahead. Her link will be in the description box below as well. And if you like your MD3 lashes done by, if you're local and you like your MD3 lashes done by moi, wink wink, that link is in the description box below. And if you like to purchase any of your MD3 tripod, part of our all natural line, that link is also in the description box below. Everything you need to know, description box below. And don't forget, the MD3 off Pearly Life Fund. That's down there too. Help your girl out. Until next time, peace, love, and lots of hair grease. Deuces. Happy Sunday, y'all. Thank you, Elaine and Chef Disasters, for your donations. I appreciate them greatly.
Diversity. Miss Diversity. 3. Diversity. Miss Diversity. 3. Diversity. Miss Diversity. 3. Diversity. Miss Diversity.
We gonna let the band deal with this.